Tommy, what did you think of the V8 juice?
No.
Did you like it?
No, like it. So yucky.
The V8 juice is yucky, Tom?
Yeah.
Did you try it, though?
No.
Extra more juice, love.
No. No, like it. Corn.
You don't like the corn either? It's yucky. It looks delicious.
You've been eating it, Thomas. It must be pretty good.
You okay, bud?
No.
You're not okay?
Ow.
Well, you gotta be careful with those, bud. Want me to take it?
Yeah. Out.
Wait, no. Can you do that?
Wait. Wait.